Hello friends, I am Zayan from Junior Study Circle. So today we are starting a new lesson named as Human Body, Skeleton and Muscles. So let's begin. The skeleton is made up of bones and cartilage and forms the framework of our body. Bones are of different shapes and sizes. However, all of them are attached to one another. The skeleton of grown-up person has 206 bones. A newborn baby has more than 300 bones. As the baby grows, some bones join together. The bones are made up of living cells which need minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals make the bones hard and strong. The bones are hard from outside, soft and spongy from inside, and have a supply of blood vessels and nerves. Functions of the skeleton. Some of functions of the human skeletal system are as follows. The skeleton gives shape and strength to our body. The bones along with the muscles help us to move our body parts. The skeleton protects the vital internal organs of our body. The long bones of skeleton helps in the formation of a blood cells inside the bone marrow. The bone marrow is a soft tissue. The bone stores minerals like calcium and phosphorus for the body. Quick recap. Functions of the skeleton. Gives shape and strength, protects internal organs, forms new blood cells, stores mineral, moves body parts. Let's begin to cartilage. Cartilage is a kind of tissue seen at the end of the bones and between the vertebrae in the spine. It acts as a cushion and reduces friction between the bones. Cartilage is also seen in the tip of the nose and in the top of portion of our ear. Cartilage is softer than bone and can bend. Parts of a skeleton. So let's begin to parts of a skeleton. The human skeleton consists of the bones, the backbones, the ribcage and the limbs. Let's learn about them. The skull is the bony structure present in the head region and it's made up of 22 bones. The upper part of the skull is made up of 8 flat bones that are completely fused together and they form the brain box or the cranium. Let's begin to fact quest. At the birth, the human skeleton is made up of around 300 bones by adulthood. Some bones fuse together to end up in the 206 bones. So let's begin to cranium. The cranium encloses the brain and protects it from injury. The face is made up of 14 bones of which only the lower jaw is movable. The lower jaw bones help us to chewing food and speaking. So let's begin to next concept, backbone or spine. I will try faster to finish this lesson and I will give the question answers in the drive PDF. The backbone or spine. The backbone or spine is made up of 33 irregular bones which rest on top of the other. It is called the vertebral column. The spine forms the central supporting rod for the skeleton. The spine is hollow from the center and encloses the delicate spinal cord. The bones protect the spinal cord. The skulls rest on the first bone of the spinal cord called the atlas. It helps us to stand straight, bend and twist our body. Let's begin to rib cage. The rib cage is formed by 12 pairs of ribs with the cartilage and the sternum. Ribs are thin, flat and curved bones. The top 10 pairs of these are attached to the vertebral column of the backbone at the back and to sternum in the front. The last also attached to the backbone. At the back, buds free at the front and are called the floating ribs. The last two rib cage are called floating ribs. So guys, this is enough for today. I will recover next part in tomorrow. Bye bye.